Hi and welcome to Tech Tips by Pyramid IT. I'm Stephen and this week we're going to be talking about keyboard shortcuts in Word to help you be more productive. The first one I'm going to talk about is making words bold. There's a couple of ways of doing this. You can use a star at the beginning of the word and then another star at the end, and it will automatically change to bold. Or another way is just hold down Control and press B and then start typing. And as soon as you're finished, hold Control and B again and it goes back to normal. Again, with italic there's another couple of ways. You can do an underline and then type your word and then underline again. That will change and it only does it for that one word. Or you can do Control I, type what you want. Again, it'll go over several words if you want, and then when you're finished it's Control and I again, and then you're actually finished. You can also do the same with an underline. It's just Control and U, and I'll type whatever you want, and again Control U to finish it off. If you're doing things like first, Word will automatically do it, but if you need to do it yourself for something else, you can do Control Shift and then the plus symbol, and that'll do that. It will stay under superscript until you do Control Shift and plus again. If however you want subscript, it is just Control and equal sign, and then you go. And again, I can do single words. Another handy tip is for bullet points. There's 3 different methods to doing it. You can press star and then the tab key. That's usually just above the caps lock, and you get a bullet point. Or you can do the minus sign and tab. I'll give you another different type of bullet point. Or if you prefer arrows, it's the shift and the full stop or greater than symbol and tab, and you get an arrow for your bullet point instead. Another shortcut is to increase the size of your letters. Hold down Control and the greater than symbol again. Sorry, Control Shift and greater than. And to do it again, to make it small, it's Control Shift and less than. Each time you press it, it goes down by 1 point. And so multiple presses and you increase it. The last tip I'm going to tell you is for tables. If you want to create a single row table, you can start with the plus sign and then do dashes or minus signs. Do it whenever you want your column to be. Press another plus. Again, more dashes, plus. Just do it to whatever configuration you want. As long as you start and end with a plus symbol, press enter, and then you have your table, and it'll be formatted with the spaces you want. I hope you find these short tips useful. If you do, please let us know, and if you want any tips shown, please let us know as well in the comments below. Thank you. Bye.